Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung paano simulan tong kwentong to. Wala akong unang linya, wala akong tamang eksena, wala akong malinaw na simula na masasabi kong dito nagsimula ang lahat. Ang alam ko lang, may masayang wakas. Pero paano ko nga ba ikikwento ang isang kwento kung ang tanging hawak ko na lang ay ang dulo? Paano ko nga ba babalikan ng mga pangyayaring minsan ay masakit alalahanin, minsan na may masyado kong mahal para pakawalan?
Paglabas natin sa bahay na to, huwag niyo kakalimutan yung pakiramdam na binubuhat kayo ng mga kasama niyo. Okay? Huwag niyo kalimutan yung journey natin, that powerful hands of sharing of energy. Okay, huwag niyo kalimutan. I'm so proud of you guys.
Looking back on 2024, Barbo's really changed my life. I mean, I know it might sound OA or cliche, but theater, it's like our little slice of the corner of the industry where we can be free and open and explore our material as well as ourselves. All put ourselves in the most holy presence of God or whoever we believe in. Being considered for Chris, and from the moment I showed up at the rehearsal, the audition, and I don't know, something about it. From the moment me and Benedict sang My Singilang Pangarap, there was just something, and I just knew it was going to be a crazy adventure.
Lord. Laban tayo, lalaban, opo. Libre ang managinip.
After the first run of Poor Boys, made me realize how important this type of art is. And mas natutunan ko rin mahalin yung work ko or what I do for a living.
Definitely, I grew a lot more as a person and I became a more well-rounded artist. Ngayon na, I can proudly say that I am now a theater artist because of my work.
It hasn't been easy. Like going through it, of course. Nothing was easy. Honestly, parang, alam mo yung feeling na parang ang tagal pero ang bilis lang din. Ganun, parang feeling ko ang tagal na namin magkakasama pero ang bilis-bilis lang niyang lumipas.
Salamat sa pagpapahiram. Salamat sa pagpapahiram ng friendship nyo at ng buhay nyo na nandito ngayon. Na nag-i-exist kayo ngayon dito para mangyari dahil hindi natin to kaya ng mag-isa lang. Hindi namin kaya to ng mag-isa lang. And thank you for that. We are virtually creating a rocket ship and kayo yung tumapak sa buwan. And salamat sa pagdating dun sa destination na yun.
Okay, time check 11:35. Maraming salamat. Let's have a great show tonight, ha?
I will always be grateful to Bar Boys. No matter how long we prepared for this, hindi ko naramdaman na nahirapan ako. Napagod oo, pero hindi ko naramdaman na hirap ako to the point na gusto ko siyang sukuan. Kasi ang sarap niyang gawin ng paulit-ulit.
If you give it your 100 or even more than that, wala ka ng pagkukulang at sapat na yun, sapat ka.
Yung mga ganitong roles really matter. These representations, it really has the power to change a person's life. Gives a huge impact to those who really need it.
At alam namin na bawat isa sa amin, at least to me, binago nito kung ano yung alam ko na trabaho, pagiging isang aktor at pagiging isang Pilipino.
Sobrang sarap magtrabaho kapag alam mo yung mga kasama mo ay masarap katrabaho. Yun yung mamimiss ko doon. Kasi hindi natin alam kung sino yung mga makakasama pa namin, makakasama natin. We'll never know kung kailan pa kami ulit magkakatrabaho at magkakasama.
Every time we get to do warm-ups as a cast, more the people than the experience itself.
Malungkot kasi syempre isang taon kami mahigit na magkakasama.
I know it won't be the same anymore.
But I will always cherish the moment when we're always complete, like the four of us.
Happy closing, boys. Happy closing!
My message to my bar boys. No matter where you are, kung saan kayo dinala ng talent ninyo, ng gift ninyo, I will always believe in your capability, your gift. Dalhin nyo yan.
Hi! We are the cast of Barefoot Theater Collaboratives, Bar Boys.
My dear brothers, my skin rubs, my homies, my for life, I want to say that this has been one of the honors of my life to share a stage with you guys, to grow with you guys as brothers and co-actors. I don't know if I'll ever be able to experience something like this again, a bond so electric and the chemistry so strong with us four. So thank you guys for being my brothers, and thank you guys for trusting me, and thank you guys for this experience.
Team Skin Rub, mahal na mahal ko kayo hanggang sa muli. At hindi ko alam kung kailan tayo ulit magsasama-sama sa entablado, pero sapat na sa akin na I get to share it with you for 3 runs already every night, and I'm so grateful and hopeful that na-meet ko kayo sa lifetime na to.
I will definitely miss that kind of bond between them because they feel like family na to me. They feel like my real brothers.
Yung dali nyo din yung natutunan natin dito, yung samahan na nabuo natin dito para gumawa ng mga sing powerful or mas powerful pa sa ginawa at binuo natin dito sa stage. Kasi for sure, marami pa kayong may inspire na tao. And dito sa stage na to, alam natin na dito natin sinimulan yung dream na yon as Eric, Chris, Toran, and Josh. Itong roles na ginawa natin dito, naniwala rin tayo na sa characters natin, naniwala rin tayo na posible talaga yung mga pangarap natin. So,
faith, brother, faith in good, faith in each other.
go get all of our dreams, even if not together in a production or hindi man tayo magkasama. Alam kong may kakayahan kayo, and that power you hold is something that can really, really change the world. Yun naman yung gusto natin.
Hello po! Hello po!
I'm Alex.
My name is Benedix. I'm Omar. At ako po si Jerome. And we are the Bar Boys! Bar Boys!
Thank you so much for the experience. Thank you for the company. Thank you for the love and support you've always given to me each time. To the people who believed in Barboys the Musical, thank you all so much.
Lumabas kayo dito na nagliliyab kung galit man yan, lungkot o saya, pero nagliliyab na may gawin para sa bayan na to, para sa sarili, para sa pamilya, para sa kaibigan.
Barboys is for you, it's for us, and it's your presence in the audience and your love that has made the story as powerful as it is. Thank you for changing our lives.
Hindi kami makakabuo ng ganitong klase ng fire na lumiliyab na passion kung hindi kayo nanonood at hindi kayo nag-express ng appreciation ninyo sa amin, because ito yung bit-bit namin every show.
I hope you learned a lot of things, and I hope we inspired you as much as this show inspired us.
Ang isang magandang kwento, madalas hindi mailalarawan sa mga salita lang. Pero paano mo nga ba ikikwento ang isang kwentong alam mo na ang dulo? May mga kwentong hindi mo kailangang ulitin para masabing mahalaga. May mga papel na kahit isang beses mo lang ginampanan, pero lagi mong daladala sa katawan, sa puso at isipan. At sa pagitan ng ilaw at dilim, simula at dulo, may kwentong hindi na kailangang ulitin para maging totoo. Kung babalikan ko man ang simula, wala akong sasayangin sa bawat segundo. Dahil minsan sa buhay ko, sigurado ako kung para kanino to. At siguradong habang buhay, nakatatak lahat ng to sa pagkatao ko.
Never ready! Only prepared!
At kapag tuluyan ng nagdilim ang entablado, may liwanag na alaalang minsan dito kami ay nabuhay. Mula sa simula hanggang dulo. Lahat ng tao ay pwedeng managinip.